we're all coming from data science ML background. We have seen how to evaluate ML models. You can create confusion matrices, measure precision recall, accuracy scores, right? Now, as we move to the world of agentic systems and agentic AI, how does evaluation change here? What do you need, how do you need to evaluate these agentic systems? Can you give brief overview of all the type of metrics and things that one needs to measure?
Yeah, absolutely. So again, I would like to break it down into 4 or 5 different components because I don't think there's one magic evaluation metric that you need to track. Couple, right? Like I said, traceability. Do you really have enough logging metrics for all your calls, all your tool calls? If the output of the tool calls were really correct, is there a way that you can compare the links? Like, say, if you are doing a deep research agent in one of your step and it's trying to find some links from the web and it suggested the user links, is there a way for the system to evaluate if the links are correct, as well as like top rated, and not like some garbage or like low quality links that came up in the search? So that's more for the traceability and logging. Second is like, how are you really using the models? Because again, models, doesn't matter how cheap it gets, at the end of the day it starts compounding when you are building a complicated agenting system. It's not about only one model call, it's about multi-model calls in different layers, and sometimes at the same time, because if you are initiating like a, say, 3 different agents, it's calling 2 different tools, you are going or routing that through some models to really get the output of it. So how do you do track the token usages, response time, where there are error rates, how many time your processes failed because of a modeling issue, or is it because of like it failed to generate a response out of that issue? Both are important, right? Like otherwise you are not setting up your system to be like a really good user experience for your customers or whoever you are uh, opening that up to. So as well as like there's tons of others, like how do we do drift detection, and then all that still maintains, but there are too many other components that's now equally important, especially from the infrastructure maintainability and infrastructure observability as well.